Batroni is glue. We got a piece of plastic we broke. We're going to simply take the instant glue, depending on the amount of glue you place on, 10 to 15 seconds of dry time. It's for metal, plastic, ceramic, and more. It's an instant glue. You have some time to place together. Cure time is 24 hours. As it's starting to set in. Thicker the bead, the longer it takes to dry. It is cool temperature that affects the glue dry time. As the glue is now dry, try not to get it on your hands. Batroni glue for plastic and more, allowed to a higher. The glue comes with a Doppler. It simply puts on and allows you to get to the finer areas. You get one Doppler, 25 grams of glue for plastic, metal, and more. Place the glue on. Put a piece of metal to metal and attach and hold. Allow the glue to dry. We're going to try to let this sit and dry. It may take a couple of minutes. Allow it to take a couple of minutes to dry. Apply pressure, 10 to 15 seconds, depending on the temperature. It may need a little bit more time to a higher. Allow it to dry. Batroni, metal glue, not just for metal, plastic, and more. If you're looking to glue plastic together, this glue may be something that you are looking for in your hardware needs. It's a waterproof glue that you can put water on and over